So hello everyone, my name is Parvas Suhagia and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are solving LeetCode problem number 217, contains duplicate. So it is a very basic problem. You can see nums vector. So just we have to return boolean value true or false. If nums contains any duplicate values, like you can see in example 1, there is one uh, appears two times, so we have to return true. If there is no duplicate, then we have to return false. So we have to just check that if any numbers are repeating or not. If it is repeating, then we have to return true. So we are using very simple approach, using unordered list, unordered map, and then we have to store frequency of each number. So first of all, we have to define that unordered map, which is key and values are int and int. We will give that mp, and then just we have to iterate in for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums dot size I plus plus. Actually we don't have to iterate in full nums. We just have to check that if frequency appears 2 or greater than, then we have to return false. If it is not, then at last it will return true. We have to increment that mp of nums of I plus plus. If you don't know, then if any variables are not initialized in as a key in mp, then it will take default value as a 0. So we don't have to initialize any variable, it will increment from 0. And then we have to check that if nums of directly this, because this is the key, is equal to, also we can use greater than equal or greater than 1, but it will become true also, because after 1 there is always be true, so we don't have to write greater than or any other. Return false. I think we have to return true, because we have to check that if any number is repeating or not. If not, then we have to return true. False. Now let's check. Okay, so we forgot to add I. Okay, so this is our solution. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.